athletes also will qualify final B. This is the start. Start for everyone. Early lead for Germany.
Also strong on lane 9, Ukraine.
Ukrainians fourth place in the European Championships. Maxim Bokun, Zakar Ivanchuk.
They are leading now. Ivanchuk.
Then it's all side by side. It's lane 4. Racing as neutrals. It's all open game now. 100 meters to go. It's neutral athletes in lane 4, Ukraine. And also neutral athletes in lane 6.
So impressive now, lane 4, neutral, 1.
Lane 5.
Ukraine here in lane 9.
Yeah, lane 5 second. And then with the amazing move by Uzbekistan, they pushed the canoe into the finish line and they finished in 3rd place. Let's see the replay, but
to try to confirm what we
just my
are saying.
imagination working. But
let's check.
Looked like it's lane 4, neutral athletes. These are the people, the athletes from Ukraine.
In lane.
They finished 2nd. These are the winners, lane 4. And then watch slow motion, Uzbekistan in lane 5. That's it. Okay, that's the way you go into the final A. Okay. Watch and learn. Ergashev, Akhtamov, beautiful move for them.
So Ukraine and Uzbekistan.
And 8 cents of a second. That's the difference.